Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So FOMC is over. No real news coming out of that. Everything was exactly as we expected. Trouble that I do have, though, is we never really closed above the 4200 area. So you can see there's the 4200, and if I just add that bottom of the range in there, we've been flirting with that all week, and then we've squirted up this morning, and that's after hours trade because we have had Apple and Facebook results come out which have smashed the estimates. So just to give you an indication, Apple, the forecast for Apple's earnings was 98 cents, and they came in with $1.40 earnings per share, and then Facebook, which was forecast at 2.33, came in at 3.3. So and then revenue's up as well, quite substantially. So the only notable one that was down was Boeing, but that's to be expected with the pandemic on the go. So everything else is green, and fairly strongly green. So as a result, we've obviously jumped up above the 4200 area. I do expect us to come back and close that, though. So let's just get down to the levels. So 3 hour, nothing really new on the 3 hour at the moment. And I just want to highlight this consolidation pattern here, because that is what we're looking for now. So as far as I'm concerned, this test has been successful, and the test is of the neckline of 41.82 at the moment. So you have a bigger upside target right now of 42.43, and I'd actually even extend that to 4,500. So that's going to stay right there. What, 42,500, 42.50, people. It's a little bit early for me, clearly. Okay, so what are we doing today? So at the moment we've had this gap up. There's a gap up after hours trading, and immediately into an exhaustion bar with an inside bar here. So the Nasdaq at the moment is up 1%. So that's driven predominantly by Apple and Facebook at the moment. So I'm looking for pullbacks, and pullbacks are at 4200 and possibly something around this area here at 4203, and even deeper down, which would be much nicer, would be at this gap, and that is 41.95. So any pullback into that structure I'm looking to buy, and we're obviously looking for 42.40 at the 42.42 first, and then 42.50 as the next target to the upside. I just want to check this measured move as well, because that's going to be fairly important, and I think we can be a little bit conservative. Comes up to pretty much the same area. I suppose it would, because it is the consolidation pattern anyway. Okay, so yeah, so that's that at the moment. I think you're looking for opportunities to buy. Again, I'd be watching the 15-minute chart. Once your level's in, may actually just shoot up from here, form a flag, and then carry on with a measured move, and could do something like that as well. So just bear that in mind. Okay, grouped a little bit differently at the moment, so I would wait for the pullback, wait for some structure, and then buy into this. That should give you a fairly decent trade. And obviously in a month coming up, so they're going to want to try and keep this, the bulls are going to want to try and keep this above 4200. They are going to want to keep it closed above 4200, and that's just going to be a psychological level to start the new week and the new month off next week. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.